Today we want to talk about Solana. Yes, on the Solana ecosystem there are some interesting coins. For example, STEPN, the most interesting coin in the past, where you can just get some money out of walking. But what is with the coin? Where should I buy Solana and what should I do with Solana? Let's check this out in the market right now.
This video is presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
Here we are right now in front of the Solana chart. As well, we're touching our EMA, which is our momentum EMA, and this is all in the D1 chart, so on the daily chart. Sorry. So yeah, it is a negative candle, and we're still acting and consolidate on the low, not on the middle. So this shows that there's a lot of sell pressure, and or better side, there are not a lot of buy people who wants to buy back the market. And I still think the market could go down, but it's all times difficult to say where exactly, right? So in that case, we touched our momentum band, and right now we should check on the lower time frame where it could go. As well, Solana are one of these coins which couldn't went up with the EMAs with my cloud, so it still it's still going short on the H1, which went on the ETH, for example, or BNB. It was still long. You see that on my other videos. And now we broke some structures here again. So what is interesting, we had this high, and we took the high very fast out, so it went like that. But what you see, we have a 1, 2, 3, broke it, and now we are back in the short market. So every retrace to the upside, we're gonna try to sell it back. But where exactly are we going to do that? So let me show you that. So H1 is short, M15 is still long, but it will move down. And what I'm trying to expect that, let me first show you my zone where I going to have my, this will be my breakout box short. So what do I expect? For the best case, I expecting market is going down a little bit, so the EMAs are changing and the cloud is turning red. This is what I first want, and that I expect or hope that we maybe see an up move to that zone, that I can then short the market, because this will be the price where I'm trying to short it. Yes, it could happen that the market is now moving down fast, but then it happened, and it's happening without me. As you saw in my previous videos, I have multiple monitors here, and I'm screening FX or Forex, indices, and cryptos, both. So I don't care if someone is running without me. I have a lot of chances in the market. But this is where I put my alert in. If the market is coming close by, then I'm trying to short it. As well, I have other strategies where I could short the market just in the zones, like in the sessions as well. As well in the latest video, I showed you a video about where I shorted the last time BNB, for example, but Solana doesn't show that strong. It looks very weak. That's why I'm thinking the market will fall down more. And where could it go? If we check the daily chart, it could happen that we go below that lows here. Maybe not a new spike below that, but it's all times difficult to say where the market is going, because I'm not gonna predict the market is going here or going there. It could go here, but it could go further down as well. I want to see a change of the structure. For example, Now we have something like that, then we're going down, and if we then going up and breaking that high, then we can make some moves up. But this is all about when the market is doing it. So if we're going further down because we are still short, we cannot trade any longs. But you can still put some buys for your HODL portfolio. I still wouldn't do it right now, not on Solana, because as I said, Solana is looking really, really weak, and it's more on my watch list to shorting it than other cryptocurrencies. So Solana is one of my top 10 to short on my intraday. So I wouldn't buy it right now for the HODL portfolio. Wait for the cheaper price. Yeah. So what's my conclusion? Besides all the good projects on the ecosystem from Solana, Solana is doing really, really bad right now, and the price is still falling, and falling stronger than the other cryptocurrencies. But as I said, and as I said as well in the other cryptocurrencies, and as well Solana has its rights to be in the market. It's a good ecosystem, it's fast with the transactions, so on the lower price you can buy for your HODL portfolio intraday. Still don't buy it, we are still in the short market, and there will be a lot of chances. So if the market is coming to this zone here, try to shorting it intraday if you are day trading as well like me. Yeah, beside that, I hope you have a great week. Don't lose any money, and we're gonna hear us later. Bye.